Alrighty guys, burning smell while driving. Do y'all know these newer cars? This is a Jeep Grand Cherokee, one of the newer models, 2022. Burning smell. Now, the first thing everybody would suspect is oil cooler leaking. Okay, that's not the case here, guys. First of all of this underbody was covered up with all of this. So it is a task within itself to get all this crap off. Now, as far as that burning smell, like I say, first thing people would suspect is oil leak coming from the Pentastar oil cooler. However, that is not the case here. What is the case here is, this right here. I don't know, guys. Plastic debris. Once you get now that cover don't cover a hot exhaust. You can't cover a hot exhaust. You got to let that breathe. However, yeah, you gonna have to live with that, lady. There's no way to get rid of that. You can take a grinder, brush, try to get as much of that off, but for the most part, when plastic hit your exhaust and melt on it, you may have that burning smell, and you just got to live with it until it. It's even bad, right? Oh, it's even bad right here. So, oh my goodness, yeah, I don't see none at the tail end of the exhaust. But yeah, so I don't know what got a hold under here, and it doesn't matter, guys. The road you're driving on there could be plastic in the road, but I'm relieved and happy to know that it's not a cooler. In fact, this is 2023. They still making Pentastars. However, those coolers are all the newer model cars have the updated cooler, guys. I know what y'all think. It's still plastic. Yeah, okay, but they not. Yeah, the coolers on these are the same coolers that we installing now, the revised ones. All right, so every car out there with an oil leak that's getting the OEM cooler, we get the same cooler that's found on these. This thing got. What this thing got? About almost 100,000 miles. In fact, let me let it down because I got to go drive it. Yeah, I got to go drive it. But that burning smell, ain't much I can do about that. Maybe, Miss Lady, you got to live with that until it just burn off. I'll put them covers on later. But let me go in the inside of this thing. Alright, guys, I got it down off the alignment rack. I had to get on the alignment rack for this baby. Alright, these things are nice. However, there could be, where's that mileage? Yeah, I was close. 100,000 miles, 98,000 miles. 2023 model. So somebody has done some driving. Look at this navigation system. It's nice. Guys, I'm done. You run over plastic, you got to live with it till it burn off. Or mechanic, they ain't got much to do. Just have him see if he can grind as much of it off as possible. But the smell is not going to last forever, all right? And looking at that, you're on the tail end anyway. It's burning all off. Guys, I got to go. Thanks for watching.